Are we all wearing dripping? Came through dripping. Drip. Cut it. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. No stiff. There's no cursing on my channel.
I won't cuss. Bleep that out.
Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. 1, 2, 1, 2, go.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
This is Chika. You guys have probably seen her in a few of my vlogs, if you with the vlogs, if you know the real deal. So that's her. Okay. The new R-O-N. R-O-N. Yes. Okay. She just passed her NCLEX, so we're like celebrating. We're really happy.
Raise the roof.
And then this is Key, founder of Official Glam Beauty.
Hi guys.
She is gorgeous. Slaying for the girls.
I didn't get that kind of intro.
Because they already know you. They already know you. This is Key's first time on my channel.
They got a taste.
Official Glam Beauty. She's spicy. That's what's on my lips.
No way. That's you?
Yeah. You can't have it.
Stop
it's
it.
Mine. You can't have it.
Your lips are popping or whatever.
You can see it, but you can't have it.
Give me this
Chika. Okay, Chika. Give me my lipstick, Joe.
She's feeling too spicy, yo. Look at she's feeling too spicy. Give me my lipstick.
This highlighter that I'm always talking about, called Drippin'. This is actually from her brand. This is what I've been wearing for like forever. Do you see the glow? Who's your father? Who is your father? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
They don't know. They don't know. You have to remind them. Remind these people. Remind them.
My channel's Flawless Key.
Oh yes, I forgot.
Flawless Key.
Plug right here. We'll put the little.
We'll put it right in there.
Right in there.
I did Chika's makeup, guys.
Oh yeah, she did Chika's makeup.
Want a close up?
She did Chika's makeup. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing the song association game. I first saw this on Elle, and I know they've had a few celebrities come on their channel and do this. So, anyways, we're gonna ignore that. Chika or Key, they're going to give me a word, and I have 10 seconds. They're going to have their timers on their phone. I have 10 seconds to come up with a song that has that word in it, and I have to sing the word in it. I know they've had like Kelly Rowland do this, Ariana Grande, Queen Naija. They've had all those people do it on the Elle channel. So I'm going to be doing that today. A game of song association.
Come on, shawty, get it together.
Okay, it's a lot of pressure. It's a lot of pressure. Okay. So you guys, I have not seen any of these words. I don't know what words they're gonna give me. So I'm a little bit nervous. What?
Who goes first?
First word. Are you ready?
Yes.
Booty.
Booty, rock and never.
Okay. That was too easy. Next word. Weave.
Pat your weave, ladies. Pat your weave, ladies. Watch you check up on the pat your weave, ladies.
She's just killing it.
Pat your weave, ladies. Oh, wait.
Got it?
Who's keeping score?
That's 2. We're keeping score.
Okay.
Next word. Lamborghini.
Oh my God. Oh God, that's Bugatti. No.
Can I help her?
How many seconds?
No. Lamborghini something.
Lamborghini Mercy.
There you go. That one. Yes. Whatever. I said Lamborghini something.
2.5. Next word. Fufu.
Ah, Chika.
Fufu. Time. Be coming. 4 seconds. 3.
Ah, there's no such a song.
Timer's gone.
Wait, what song has fufu in it? Do you know what song that has fufu in it?
She's over here cheating. She cheated. No song has fufu in it.
No. Wait, pause. How she give me a word that she don't even have a song that has that word in it?
You listen to lots of Naija songs. You must know they have to.
There's no song that has fufu in it. Okay, if you guys know a song that has fufu in it, please tell me the name of the song and the artist and put it in the comment section, because I don't remember. I can't.
I don't either. Sorry. I was craving fufu when I thought about that. I was craving fufu. I want fufu.
Okay.
Next one.
Food. I'm scared. Ghetto girls, dun dun. Oh, ghetto girls.
Hey.
Oh,
hey. Ghetto girls. Okay. Got you.
Hey, ghetto girls. Dun dun. Oh,
All right. Okay, we get the point.
Y'all want to talk about it. This thing come out. Like T-Boss. Bow Wow, Wiz, Jay-Z, and Nas.
Thank you. Melody.
Oh my God.
I can't even help you with this one, sis.
How many seconds?
Ah.
Melodies from heaven.
Oh yes! Rain down on me. Dun, dun, rain down on me. Melodies, melodies from heaven. Hey, rain down on me. Kirk Franklin.
Take me in your
Arms and hold me
close.
Hey.
Hey, what you doing? Rain down on me.
Rain
Check
down
it out.
on me.
All right, next word.
Hold on, wait. You gotta give me time to like recuperate.
Okay, all right. Take a break. Take a break.
Okay, who's keeping track of score?
So you only missed one out of the
You missed
word.
half of one. The one I assisted you with.
Yeah, half of. So
No,
four and
I
a half.
missed melody too.
Oh, you did. That's two.
Oh, yeah. So 3.5.
How I keep?
Jollof rice.
Chika.
Name a song with Jollof Rice Chika before we start.
There's a song.
She knows it. See?
No, there's a song.
No. Let me start with
No, not jollof rice, just jollof, right? Because
Jollof.
it's only
You can
one
use
word.
Jollof. Yes, jollof. I know Wale made a song to that. Even Wale made a song to Fufu too. I just don't know it.
They
Come on.
ain't have no song with
What
Jollof
song
Rice.
is that? What song? No, you tell me the song.
I don't know.
Chika, really?
She didn't have a song.
You just.
Okay. Next word.
Wow.
Daddy.
Oh, I know. Oh, you lucky. You got a head start. I just started the timer.
Come on, Youkeyy.
Come on, Yukes.
It's too much pressure. I can't think of a song that has daddy in it.
Daddy's home.
That's not daddy, it's daddy's. See?
Come from me. Daddy is home. Daddy's home. Usher.
Don't go like that. Daddy, you got my hand and I want your hand.
I want my baby girl. Girl, you are just missing these words.
You leave me alone. It's a lot of pressure, okay?
Yeah. Come on, honey. get
Stop!
it
Leave me
together.
alone.
Next word.
Okay.
Honey.
Honey. Give me one more chance. I always think of that stupid YouTube song. I can see it all the
You're
way
not supposed
from
to be
here.
helping
I
her.
already said it.
Oh.
Honey, give me one more chance. Yeah, it's that one of those YouTube copyright free songs.
Next word. Money. Money.
More money we come from, the more problems we see.
Hey.
Dun, dun, dun,
Coming.
dun, 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 dun.
What, the way my collarbone is like peeking through.
I'm coming. I know what they want from me. It's like the more money we come across, the more problems we see.
B.I.G.
B.O.D.P.A. No info for that D.E.A.
I was thinking.
Wait, we are not shouting out hoods in this video right now.
I was thinking.
Federal agent snack and the favorite.
Stay clean. I be that. Can't you see that?
What you know about that right there? What you know about that right there?
I know a lot.
I'm telling your mother you're listening to nonsense music. What is this?
I am a wholesome human being who's
Oh,
very
I'm
well
telling
rounded,
you,
and I
I'm
have
telling
a
you, I'm
variety
telling you.
of musical styles and tastes
You know
in
what
my
I was
collection,
thinking?
okay?
Baby. Oh, that's gonna be so.
Baby, all like baby, no.
How many words was that out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
She
6,
only got-
7,
she only
8,
got
9,
three.
10, 11, 12? I had 12 words for you. And you, how many words she missed? How many? 3?
2.5.
No, she missed more
We were
than
supposed to
that.
have like 20 words or something like that.
Okay, makeup. Next word, makeup.
Pop with a makeup bag.
Youkeyy.
It's the dream.
Makeup on fleeky, yo.
Aye, yeah.
Really? Really? So you got let's see. I'm looking for extra words. Light.
The light common. Some see the light, but they can't handle the glare. You guys don't know that song? The Light by Common?
No.
Give me the green light.
Oh, that's John Legend.
That's a different song. See, I got multiples for you, boo. Like, I'm so good. I have multiple songs in my collection.
Okay, next word, dripping.
Came through dripping, drip, drip. Came through dripping, drip, drip. Came through dripping. Yeah, that was my next thing, dripping. Ice. So she's gonna freeze in that post because she wants me to take a picture. That is all for this video, guys. The Elle Song Association game. She's still. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And also subscribe to Key's channel.
Flawless Key. And
be sure to turn on notifications, hit that bell. Be sure that all notifications is checked off. And if you're not following me on social media, I'm on Instagram and Twitter at Youkeyy_. That's YOUKEYY_. And what's your Instagram?
Flawless_Key.
And your Instagram?
Chika Heart.
CHEEKA Heart, all one word.
Yes.
There we
we'll
go.
be starting my YouTube channel pretty soon.
Girl, you said that.
No, I said that last time. I did not hit 1,000 likes. I said that
exactly.
On Vegas. I said 1,000.
You already have a YouTube channel. You just didn't restart it.
But you guys go subscribe to my channel right now.
Don't be one of those people that's
Chika
don't be one of those people that's like, oh, once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'll put up my first video. Like,
no, I would not
do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you. We hope to see you in the next video, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.
Bye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Wow.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye. You like that, huh?
This channel is now y'all's. I can't even. I'm done. Hello, if you've never seen me before. So on today's channel, on today's video.
What is going on?
In today's video, Chika, you gotta be engaged.
Okay,
the people. This is probably because I'm getting like okay.
I'm sorry, what? Who are you? What?
As Monica Style Muse would say, what you was saying?
What was that?
What you was saying? A game of song. Chika.
I'm getting the song, the list ready.
For today.
Chika.
My bad. I'm sorry, my bad.
Okay. Make up a fleek. Ah,
party or night. Be like, what is this? What song? I be getting to the money.
Everybody mad first.
Hey.
I be getting too much money. Everybody mad first.
Hey, what? Same old
Same old.
Black. Everybody hated on it. Then he bounced right back.
However the choreography goes. Ow, it's the choreography.
Houston.
Sorry. See how she treats me? Like, I'm just abused.
I'm feeling myself right now.
I'm feeling myself. See, this is what we do. We turn everything into a song. This is just my normal everyday life. Chika, okay. Boy, stop.
You just blocking my face, though.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
I'm not used to.
She's not used to sharing a camera with 3 people.